Horses out, the Abigail swings past the begin South Pearl, moving up Victory Joe, and on the outside now is Best Asset. Then comes Defiant, Pink Lady, Reza Dancer, alongside Treasure Hunter, San Marino, and My Ray is the early trailer. We've got Best Asset running on the outside. Down on the inside is Victory Joe, South Pearl in third, Eagle Swings is racing by the rail. Then 2 lengths for the back in Pink Lady alongside Defiant. Then comes Treasure Hunter running by the rail, Reza Dancer, San Marino, and My Ray. They swing into the back, Best Asset by a length and a half. And in second is Victory Joe, South Pearl, Pink Ladies by the rail, Defiant also moving up, Eagle Swings. This time we have Best Asset moving up on the outside, Victory Joe, Pink Lady, Defiant joining them. This time 3 horses now collided in front. Defiant moving up on the outside, in the middle Pink Lady, Victory Joe is down on the inside. As they counter at the last 150, these 3 still fighting out for the lead. Defiant takes the lead, Pink Lady in the middle, Victory Joe is down on the inside. But it's still Defiant, Pink Lady, down on the inside is Victory Joe. Defiant, Pink Lady is down on the inside. But it's still Defiant, and finally Defiant, Pink Lady, Victory Joe, Reza Dancer. Then comes Treasure Hunter for your Pentapecta.